Hi guys, welcome back to Life and Spice with Gift. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare this delicious and flavor packed Asun spaghetti. Let's get right into it, okay? First, I'll prepare my pepper mix. For this, I'm using tatashe shombo and a few fresh tomatoes. I'll transfer everything into the air fryer to dry slightly and intensify the flavor. While that's going on, I'll place my goat meat in a pan on the stove. To season it, I'm adding fresh pepper, curry, thyme, all-purpose seasoning, a little salt, blended garlic, seasoning cubes, and just a little bit of water. I'll let this cook for about 20 minutes until the meat becomes soft and tender. Once the meat is ready, I'll separate it from the stock. The stock goes aside for later and the meat goes into the air fryer to fry until nicely brown. Next, I'll cook my spaghetti separately in already boiling water and set that aside once done. Next, I'll blend my pepper mix into a rough texture. Now for the sauce. I'll place a pan on the heat, add some groundnut oil, and then add my blended onions and garlic. Once that becomes fragrant, I'll add my roughly blended pepper mix, a little tin tomato, and allow that to cook on the heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. Next, I'll add in my reserved meat stock and I'll stir. Allow that simmer in for a little bit while stirring to prevent it from getting burnt. I'll add a splash of water, add my goat meat, and keep stirring. And next, I'll add my seasoning cubes, my curry. And at this point, guys, you can add whatever spice you choose to, okay? So I'm going to stir for a little bit and then I'm going to add my spaghetti. I'll have to stir it very well so it absorbs all that rich flavor, okay? And then I'll add a little water to increase the moisture, okay? Finally, I'll add my veggies, give it one last stir, and there you have it, guys. Our delicious Asun spaghetti is ready. This is such a nutritious and rich meal. It's satisfying and you can share it with friends, family, and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. We truly appreciate you and we love you. If you're new here, please do well to hit the subscribe button, and if you're an OG, turn on your notification bell so you never miss out on any of our yummy recipes. See you in our next video and bye for now.